The Daily Code Snippet. This week we will switch gears again to show you how to create a code demo web page for yourself so you can try out some of the code that you have been shown over the past weeks. Because the best way to learn coding is to learn by doing. It is important to practice writing lines of code yourself and seeing what works and what doesn't work. As you work with code, you will become more adept at recognizing typos that can often break your code. It will also be a good review of previous topics and show you how to put things together. By saving a copy of this demo webpage, you can always add sections to try new code as it is demonstrated to you. This way, you are not only watching a video, but trying the concepts and see if you get the expected results. In order to begin, you will need a code editor. I personally use BBEdit. I prefer its simplicity, but you are welcome to use whatever code editor you wish. It can be downloaded at https://www.barebone.com/products/bbedit/download.html. It has a free trial. We will also need a browser to preview our code results, and I will use Google Chrome. But again, you can use whatever browser you prefer. This is an image of the Google Chrome browser open with the developer tools visible. Here you can inspect the source code of a page, both the HTML and CSS. We will talk about how to use these tools to troubleshoot your code in later videos. Once you have downloaded a code editor, start a new document. Save this document index.html. Index indicates to the browser that this is a web page to open first. The .html indicates it will be an HTML file. The first thing you will write is your doctype declaration telling the browser that you are working in HTML5. Less than sign, exclamation point, doctype, HTML, greater than sign. This is how it would look in your code editor, and if you open the document with a browser, you won't see anything because this is a backend change and does not display visually. Next video, the basic structure of our web page. Presented by Designers Learn Code.